Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's video I'll give a quick update on Solana. So let's get into the chart and see what happened to the last prediction that I gave on the channel. So currently I'm on Solana chart on crypto exchange. So I usually choose crypto exchange. So the last prediction that I gave was so these two, okay. So these two red lines that it's recently drawn, okay. It was not in the last one, okay. So the last prediction was if the market holds this support trend line here, okay, support trend line, this green color, then we could expect a but if the market holds this, then holds above, we can expect a upward move. So the market made upward move, as I mentioned earlier. It has given 12% of upward move without leverage. And the second scenario that I gave was it could, if the market was unable to hold the price, okay, if the market unable to hold the price above, if the market breaks below this support line, then the market could go even lower. So those are the predictions that I gave in this chart. See. So what happened, guys? The price was not broken to the downside, and it has been holding the price above the trend line. So that was the gain. It was like 12%, okay, almost 12%. And you can see there was a bull flag here, okay. It was a bull flag, so that was successfully broken, and it was successful pattern. It is 8%. So these two $136 and 141 key levels. So this one I recently driven here, so I'll just say the reasons for that. If you go for the 4-hour time frame, you can see that the price has tested and mitigated so much of times here. You can see it clearly here in the line chart. So here, see, it has made a breakout, so much of retest and mitigations here. So what I see is the market is forming another pattern here, okay. It's a continuation pattern, and you can see that it's like a rising wedge. So in BTC as well as in XRP, the same pattern has been spotted. So if you didn't check the videos, go check. I have explained it clean thoroughly, okay. So I consider this both 141 key level and $136 key level as a selling zone, okay. I'll consider this as a selling zone. If the price once again reached into this zone, then I'll consider selling here, okay. I consider selling here. So if these prices were break into the upside, then it's better to shift to the long direction, okay. It's better to shift to the long direction, okay. The scenarios are by 2, okay. So until now the market direction is not definite, so we should wait until market is giving a clear direction. So we should wait for that patiently. So if you are going for a selling, you should wait until this comes inside this selling zone. So if you see any confirmation in your own, you can go for a selling here, but consider that if this market broke to the up, okay, we can go for a long here for the price tag here, okay. So let's go and draw another trend line that is here visible for me. So here it is. So in the line chart you can see it clearly here, okay. So this is also a type of selling zone, okay. You can see that price has mitigated so much of time here. You see the line chart is clearly visible here. We had a test, breakout, and we had a breakout once again, and we had a retest, and we had another retest, and we had a breakout, another we had a fake out here, and a retest. So much of price mitigations in this level. So let's consider this $175 and $166 as also a selling zone. Okay, so once this the first selling zone, I'll consider this a first selling zone 1, and the above, the one that is above. Okay, so I'll consider this as a selling zone 2. So once the this zone is being broken to the up, then as I mentioned before, this could change the direction. Okay, this could change the direction, so we could go for a long here, I mean buy. So if the market reaches here, fortunately if the market reaches here, then you should consider selling here because it is overbought here. So selling is the best option. Okay, as mentioned, if the price started to drop from this selling zone 1, then what could be the price targets? Okay, so the price targets could be $121. Okay, this is the next key level, and if this break, it won't go smoothly. It can have sideways and so much of fake outs, and then manipulation, so much things comes, and we can expect another drop here. So it can happen in two ways. It could happen in a smooth way, or else heavily it could drop in one time. So don't expect every trend line and key levels to be respected and breakout. Okay, so I hope this update was useful for you. So let's meet up on another video. Until then, see you guys.